Developing at this hour, two of Ahmaud Arbery's accused killers are wrapping up their most recent court appearance. Today, lawyers for Gregory and Travis McMichael asked a judge to approve material about Arbery. Specifically, they want jurors to know that Arbery was on probation when he was killed. The father and son, along with another man, are accused in the murder of the unarmed black man. CBS 46's Haley Mason live tonight in Brunswick with the very latest. Haley.
It's a very busy 2 days here in Brunswick where the state is considering what is relevant and what is not. The state attorneys are saying that Ahmaud Arbery's mental health history, his past criminal history, is irrelevant to why he was killed last February. The defense team, though, trying to get the judge to allow that evidence. And this hearing is still going on this hour inside the Glenn County Courthouse. The McMichaels defense team has brought about 6 of their 8 planned witnesses to the stand, trying to highlight various run-ins that Arbery has had with law enforcement or community members over the years. From shoplifting incidents to trespassing, the defense team call on witnesses to detail their interactions with Arbery over the last nearly 8 years. The issue the state has repeatedly brought up is that none of these incidents played a role in the chase and the shooting by Travis and Gregory McMichael or William Roddy Bryant. None of those defendants accused of killing Arbery knew him before that day, nor were they aware of any of his past patterns or history with others. That's what the defense is highlighting about Arbery, but again, the state is saying it's not relevant. It'll be up to a judge to decide what gets in and what is tossed out.
Being in the neighborhood, being in the house, running away after being seen, and multiple attempts to detain Mr. Arbery with either verbal commands or words, trying to engage him to detain him, and then his behavior and his reaction to that, and Mr. Arbery's decision to then ultimately engage in physical assaultive conduct.
Were Mr. Arbery's thoughts reasonable? It doesn't matter what Mr. Arbery was thinking whatsoever. Were his actions reasonable? Doesn't matter what his actions were. They didn't know Mr. Arbery. They made a choice to go get their firearms. But Greg McMichael also made the choice not to bother to bring his cell phone.
Okay, so we have no video of Ahmaud Arbery committing any crime on February 2020. We just have your testimony.
Yes, ma'am.
Who supplied you with the name Ahmaud Arbery?
It was not until actually after his death that I learned his name.
And that is the state pretty much questioning the credibility of this last defense witness, who was a store owner who said she witnessed Ahmaud Arbery commit shoplifting of food several times in her store, but she didn't know who he was until after he died and she saw his picture in the paper. Stuff like that's been going on all day. A number of officers on the stand will bring you the latest updates next hour as this hearing is still going on right now. Reporting live in Brunswick, Glenn County, Haley Mason, CBS 46 News.
Haley, thank you for that. Still